Hello everyone, welcome back. Make a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts. Now divide the lower part into three sections and then tie them from the between like this. After tying all the three sections, we'll tie the upper part as well by dividing them into two parts. So totally we will be making the 5 parts of the hairs. Rotate them from the between like this. Rotate each part in the same manner as shown in the video. After rotating the hairs, we will collect them together and tie it on the top, making a flower like shape. So watch these steps very carefully. Fix them like this. Put the rubber band to tie the hairs carefully. Now fix the hairs by dividing them from the between. Rotate it and then fold it upward like this. Fix it over the bun by putting it like this and spread the hairs on the sides. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Tie them using the rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and join it on the back like this. Tie them and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fix the hairs and join them like this. Tie the hairs, fold it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, tie all the hairs together in the same manner till the end. Keep taking the hairs in the small sections, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now, at the end, we will tie all the hairs together, or after you can perform this step and then make the plaits on the hairs at the end. So here we will be dividing the hairs into two parts and then we will make the plaits on it. Follow the same step for the other section of the hairs. Now roll them upward and fix them like this using the hairpins on the top. Fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Use some designer hairpins to fix the hairs on the top and it's done. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides in small section and then roll them like this together by dividing them into two parts. Take it till the back like this and fix it on the left side. So now take the hairs from the left side as well. Tie them by rolling it like this and fix it on the back. So fix them together on the back like this by tying it with a rubber band. Rotate the hairs. Now tie all the hairs together like this. Tie them using a rubber band at the back like this. Make a ponytail. Fix them in the half. Pull the hairs backward. Now fix the hairs into each other and make a bun like this. Tie it again using the hairpins or the rubber band. Fix the hairs together like this. Tie them using a rubber band tightly. Fix it properly. Tie all the hairs under the bun. Fix it like this. Roll them and it's ready. Next, make the ponytail and fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it like this. Fold it carefully as shown in the video. After folding it, we will fold it upward and make a bun. Fix the hairs tightly as shown in the video. Fold it and fix the bun pin to fix the hairs tightly and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, you can follow our page. Thanks for watching our video.